Hello, this is my recording for cybersecurity assignment. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate all the required tasks. First, viewing active network ports. Next, selecting two ports and explaining what they are used for. Next, viewing running services and select two to explain. Creating inbound and outbound firewall rules to port 500 TCP. And finally, creating a scheduled task that checks for Windows updates daily. And I explain each steps as I go. So first, I'm opening PowerShell. Input. So I'm running a command netstat. ANO. And enter. So it will takes like 5 minutes, so I will exit because it's already created or it's already finished. So I will find two ports to analyze or if it's running in Task Manager. So I will pick the port 9, the local address 593 980 and 980 PID and 1680 PID or 499667 local address. So now we will open Task Manager. Yeah, this is Task Manager. Then details. So we will find the 980. This is the 980. It's running. The status is running. Then 1680. Sorry, not already running. Sorry for my voice because I'm sick. So yeah. That's the two ports and two of them is running. So this port allows the computer to translate domain names into IP addresses without DNS. You will have to remember the IP address websites or servers instead of the names. So that port is essential for network communication. So next, I'm going to review running services. So we will run, then services, MSC, then OK. So this shows me all background services running on this server. So I'm going to find DNS server or DNS client. This is the DNS client. So it's running. So this is the description of this DNS client. Yeah. So the second service is I'm going to choose the DNS server because it's very near. So this service is responsible for resolving domain names into IP address on the network. So which allows also saw earlier that the netstat result. So this is a service extremely important to name resolution in Windows domain environment. So this is the description, or you can check the DHCP client. So yeah, this is the services. Next, I will create the required firewalls rules port 5000. So run. We go to the Microsoft Firewall. So I will create firewalls for port 5000. So I already opened the Windows Defender firewall. So now we click inbound rules. So we click new rule, right click and click new rule, then we'll just wait. Click port and click next. And TCP specific local ports, port 5000, and next allow the connection. Domain private and public is all checked. The name is TCP 500 inbound. Then finish. Disabled rule. So next we will create outbound rules. Right click and click new rule on the right. So same as earlier, we will click port specific 500. Next, allow connection TCP 500 outbound. Okay. Yeah. Earlier I already created it, so that's why that's in there. So we'll disable rule both of them. So to check if we can enable it, so both of them is we'll click enable. So it's already active, as you can see. I will say disable it earlier and enable it again to show that I have full control over it. And both rules are now created and enabled. Next, we will create a daily Windows update schedule. So now I'm creating a scheduled task for we'll find task scheduler. And click the create basic task. And type daily Windows update check. Next, the trigger is daily, and next again the time. We'll adjust 7 a.m. So you can put any time if you want. Then start a program. I will type PowerShell. And this command supports the server to check for available updates. Then click next. And finally, finish. So 7 a.m. 7:05 a.m. every day. Yeah, it's already exists because I already created earlier. Sorry. So this one, this the daily window update. So I already created earlier and I put 9 p.m. Yeah, that's all. Sorry. So in conclusion or finally, lastly, I already summarized in this video to the demonstration or I demonstrate earlier. So first, how to view active ports using PowerShell. Next, how to analyze two ports and explain the service they relate to. And how to view running services and identify two networks related one. And how to create inbound and outbound firewall rules and port 500 TCP. And how create a scheduled task. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.